Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how we can add two different types of page numbers for the same Word document. Here I want to add Roman page numbers at the very beginning pages. Then we add Arabic or English page numbers. Let's do it. First, from Insert, go to Page Numbers and select the format. For example, I selected bottom and I selected this type. Okay, you see? Here I have page number 1, page number 2, and so on. I want add page number for page number 1 and for page number 2 in Roman page number. Then I change it to English page number. How we can do it? Again, from Insert, Page Number, Format Page Number, select, scroll down, this type. Okay, you see, now I have page number in Roman format 2. For example, from here forward, I change it to English page number. So select here, then layout, page setup, this point forward. Okay, good. First, just backspace, bring it to freeboard, bring it to freeboard design. Then from here, just select the page number, then insert page number, format page number, select English page number. Start at 1. Okay, let's see. You see from here, freeboard design, we have page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, and so on. And let's check the very beginning page numbers. You see it's in Roman. Page number 1, I. You see it's in Roman page number, as you see here. Okay, that's the way to add two different style of page numbers for the same Word document. If you found this video helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.